Text-back SIM cards are being discontinued by UK mobile networks. This is affecting all taxi operators across the UK right now. M2M bulk SMS can help you avoid this mission-critical issue, which could result in loss of business and drivers. Passengers expect text message notifications as part of the service, so is it worth risking losing a customer and drivers just for the cost of an SMS? M2M bulk SMS will deliver the SMS notifications through the BT network in seconds. We will display your company name, a sender ID so your passengers know who it's from. No hardware, no setup fees. And you are able to connect with any taxi dispatch system through REST APIs. We can have you set up within a few hours. Integration with WhatsApp business account and Facebook messaging is all possible, along with REST API using SMPP for integration. All this for a cost-effective monthly subscription and your text messages, giving you peace of mind that your service is always operational. Would you like to know more? Visit m2mbulksms.com to start sending text messages online.